Net clauses in on Chivhayo Bushiri as regional anti-corruption drive intensifies. Sambena mashoko anokuonekwa kunzi aiwa Chivhayo otsvakiwa nevakomana vemuSouth Africa ma-security forces pamusoro pematenders ake ai-corrupt and fraudulent. Akaonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana vema-investigations voona kuti vakomana ava they were involved machete deals not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. South African authorities have ramped up investigations into fugitive Malawian preacher Shepherd Bushiri and the controversial Zimbabwean businessman Chivhayo, both implicated in high-level cross-border fraud and money laundering schemes that are now growing regional attention. The developments emerged during the 15th Commonwealth Regional Conference for Heads of Anti-Corruption Agencies in Africa, currently underway in Cape Town. Hosted by South Africa's Special Investigation Unit SIU, the conference has brought together anti-corruption agencies from 21 Commonwealth African countries under the theme Enhancing Inclusive Participation of State and Non-State Actors to Prevent and Combat Corruption. Chivhayo is under scrutiny by South Africa's Financial Intelligence Center FIC, the South African Revenue Services SARS, and the police, following allegations that Zimbabwe's Minister of Finance irregularly paid over 1.1 billion to Rainform, a Johannesburg-based printing company contracted without a public tender to supply election materials for Zimbabwe's 2023 general elections. More than 800 million rands of that amount is believed to have been funneled into companies linked to Chivhayo, including Intratech Holdings and Dolentel Trading. A confidential FIC report assessed by Zim Life outlines how these funds were swiftly disbursed into Chivhayo controlled entities and then redistributed through suspicious transactions. Notably, 351 million rands was paid to Asiba Mbeki Platinum Group, 5.4 million to luxury car dealership Daytona, and 4 million to the law firm Strauss Share Incorporated. Tomashukuru kuda panguva ina rikuno kwanza Chivhayo otsvakiwa nevakomana South Africa nekuda kwekuita ma-fraudulent deals. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, so kana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.